5. Which equation can be used to describe the relationship between x and y shown in the graph? So we are looking for y equals mx plus b, our relationship. We first find our y-intercept because that is an easy one to find. So we highlight our y-axis and it is where our line crosses. That should be a positive 4. So we'll plug that in. Y equals some number times x plus 4. We know that now we can eliminate b and d because they have a negative 2 there, and we need a positive 4. Now we have to find our slope. To find our slope, we'll find 2 points. I found a slope here at y equals 0 and x positive 2, and a slope here at x 0 and y positive 4. Okay, my change of y, it went up by 4. My x went over by 2. My slope is my change of y divided by my change of x. So it should be 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. When I plug that into my equation, I get y equals 2x plus 4. That matches answer choice A. Remember, slope is change of y divided by your change of x. Pay attention to the numbering of the lines because they're not always proportional.